Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
We are winning! For God so loved Nigeria that he gave us Peter Obi, that whosoever that believes in the unity of this country shall vote for Peter Obi. For because God knows the problem of Nigeria, that was why he created Peter Obi. As you can see, we are more than 5 million people here. I was not paid. I did it willingly.
We know the collect shishi. Obi is coming. Obi that's in 2023. I am a mother of 7 and my 4 children are in the university. For more than 5 months now they are at home because of ASU strike. We are tired of the suffering, hunger everywhere. We are tired, and that is why we want a man that have the people at heart that will come to bring transformation in this country. We want a man. Obi did not give anybody 10 kobo. I have been under the rain. I am allergic to cold. But despite that, I still determined since early morning. I did not even test anything before I came out because I want to see the change in this country.
They say we don't have structure, but they can see the structure. Enough is enough. We want Nigeria to move forward from consumption to production. We don't want snake to swallow our money again.
They were supposed to give us the stadium.
Anybody will give you money to vote for and go chop your money.
You go chop your money. How can you use 80 million to cut grass? Is it even for us?
We're here to do what we call testing. We're here to test the movement because we're not campaigning. It's not the right time for campaign. So we're here to test the movement. After now, we'll start the major campaign. I am the structure Obi has. We are not structure, we are pillars. So we need pillars to build any building you want to build in this life. You need pillars. So we are the pillars. If we are not structure, we are pillars. And if all of us are pillars, we are both even the structure they are envisaging. We are here to deliver Nigeria. If not this movement, it will have been like an uprising in Nigeria. Thank God for somebody like Peter Obi that is contesting.
Inside the Niger Delta,